Are you ready to hear something that you do not hear every day in London? Okay, you know what? I think we need like a drum roll. Right, are you ready? Today is gonna be 26 degrees. So it's going to be hotter here in London today than it is in Orlando, which is my favorite place to be, but also the place that I usually am the most sweatiest. So it's going to be hotter here than Orlando. It's only it's -1 in New York right now. It's going to be hotter here than Ibiza. It's only getting to 21 in Ibiza. It's going to be hotter than Malaga. Malaga's only getting to 14. Hotter than Lanzarote. Lanzarote is getting to 17. And it's going to be hotter here, well, just about the same as Miami, right? Miami's getting to 25. So to cut a long story short, in other words, it is going to be as hot or maybe even slightly hotter today in London than it is in sunny, palm-treed, blue-watered Miami. So the plan is, I want to get some lunch, but nothing too heavy. Like I want a nice fresh salad. So I've just like Googled options around here, and there's a place called Salad Project. If that doesn't sound like the place to be right now for a salad, then I don't know what does. Then after that, I want to wash it down with a cherry matcha from Blank Street, because I had my eye on it for a little while, but the Blank Street locations are not like Starbucks locations, they're not like on every corner. So I just haven't been in the right place at the right time. I want to get a matcha, cherry matcha. You know what I want to do? I want to sit and I just want to enjoy that. Oh no, we've got to go to Lush. Yeah, I've bought my 5 pots with me, because in Lush, if you bring back 5 empty pots, you get a free fresh face mask. And I've got 5 pots, so I've saved my 5 pots. So I get a free fresh face mask. Oh shit, so, wait, I've got to plan the route then, so we go, I forgot that we're going to Lush. Anyway, first things first, salad. Sweet corn, cucumber,
Cucumber, yes. Billy.
Should I have chicken? Hi.
Yeah, it's coming.
Okay.
With chicken, we have the chicken breast, we have cajun, and the honey chicken is coming too.
Yeah, I get chicken breast, please. Can I get the Chipotle Caesar, please? Not really the vision I had in my head. Like standing in the middle of the street eating my salad, but I'm so sweaty. Wow, look at this. Let me show you. I'm so sweaty. And I've tried like all the squares around here. Look at this. This is the salad. Let me get in the light for you. So I did the build your own. It's kind of like Subway, where you get a menu, you can like pick, or you can build your own. I built my own because I didn't like some of the bits on the made ones, and I was thinking if I take, like I would have taken like 6 things out of some of them, so I was like I might as well just build my own. £14.50, call it £15. So it's quite a pricey salad, let's be honest. How does it taste? Let's try the chicken. Good chicken. Bloody better be good chicken. I paid a premium for this chicken.
Time for you. There's no softness in your smile. I fill the room with smoke. Turn the lights down low. Stand firm on the ground. You turn my world upside down. I don't want you to go. Life is rust and stone. Without you, without you,
Yes, we made it. The one I was gonna get, they don't have, so we're gonna get this one. Don't look at me, but look at me. Right, thank you. You too. Bye. So guess how long I waited in that queue for this? From the moment I got in the queue to the moment I got it in my hand, 42 minutes. 42 minutes. People were turning up there, they were like shocked that the queue was going out the door, and this man come up to me, he's like, is it really that good? You know what? I got the cherry glazed matcha, which I've had my eye on for like a minute now. I'm telling you, this was 42 minutes well spent. It's so good. This was like, what, I don't know, £5 something, right? And this is better than the £15 salad that I got earlier. Beautiful. Mate, I'd wait in a queue for an hour for this.
Evening comes with a fading summer light. Twilight air drifting through the window, and you're sleeping.
What a glorious day. A day we do not get here that often. You know what? It's actually felt like I've had a spring in my step.